Hello, it's Dan, and today I'm going to show you me riding my dirt bike. As you can see, it is fully charged because it's green. Alright, it's gonna give me a minute to get on the road. So I'm in my grandfather's garage. So yeah. Alright, this will be a little fun. Yeah. Better close up that. This is always fun getting it out of the garage. There's no room because of that tractor. The big, orangish kind of thing. But yeah. Right, there we go. I'm not riding it yet. So I gotta get out of here. Yeah. This will be fun. Yep. Yep. There we go. Alright, here we go. Usually it'll go on most terrains. Yeah. But yeah, I'm trying. Today's a nice day. Chilly, but it's still nice. Even though not so much sun. Actually, it's not nice. What should I do? Oh yeah, I gotta go check my mail at my house. To my house! Whoop, sort of. Whatever. Huh? Up down here. I should have grabbed gloves on my way out. Crazy. Freezing. Now I've got some. Gotta stay at the side of the road. Oh, it's coming. It's good. And we're approaching my street. I need to get stuff for my fridge. Just a big cake at my family's house. So yeah. Alright, so yeah, that's it for now. Subscribe and all, but yeah, subscribe.